In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a 4K video from Canva, ensuring you get the highest quality output suitable for large screens. If you're ready to elevate your video projects with stunning ultra-high definition quality, just follow along as I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, let's start by opening Canva. If you're unfamiliar with Canva, it's an excellent online platform that offers tools not only for graphic design, but for video creation as well. So go ahead, log into your Canva account, or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with all your existing projects and options to create new ones. Navigate to the video project you've been working on or wish to download. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything else we'll do. Now, with your video project open and ready, we should focus on preparing it for download. Ensure that your edits are complete and everything looks just as you'd want it when viewed on a large screen. Double-check that all effects, transitions, and audio are correctly in place. Once you're confident with your creation, it's time to move on to the exporting phase. To begin the download process, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Share button. By clicking this, Canva presents a variety of options for sharing or downloading your project. Here, the key focus is to convert the video into a downloadable file with the best possible quality. Now, let's hone in on downloading. You'll need to click the Download option, which should take you to a new menu focused on exporting your project. This is where quality settings come into play. Notice under the Quality section, there's a slider that allows you to adjust the resolution of your video. By sliding it to the maximum, you'll see an indicator change to 4K. Selecting this ensures your video is exported in ultra-high definition. This is particularly beneficial if you're aiming to display your video on large screens where quality significantly impacts the viewer's experience. Finally, once you've set the quality to 4K, simply click the Download button. Canva will process your request, and depending on the length and complexity of your video, this could take a few moments. Once completed, your video file will be downloaded to your computer in glorious 4K UHD quality, ready to impress anyone who watches it on a larger screen. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export a 4K video from Canva. Thanks to these steps, your content will stand out with crisp, vibrant visuals. So go ahead and make the most of this incredible tool for all your video projects.